Discover how to effortlessly convert sentences or paragraphs into stunning animation videos. Learn how to create your animation from scratch, even if you find it complicated or lack editing skills. And best of all, it's completely free. Watch the tutorial to unlock the ability to produce captivating animation videos like this one.
Unleash Steve.ai, the text-to-animation wizard. Transform words into captivating visuals effortlessly. It's like having a magical artist by your side. Whether for presentations, marketing, or education, Steve.ai works wonders. Prepare for animations that leave them spellbound. Embrace your creativity and embark on this enchanting journey.
Hi, my name is Polly from DigiHacks. Let's dive right in. Now, we will create the animation video in 2 simple steps. Step 1 is to generate your script using ChatGPT. Step 2, go to Steve.ai website. If you don't have an account, just sign up with your email. And if you already signed up, just log in. It has several services like change to text video, text to animation, blog to video, blog to animation, all those. And also, you can see it has other upcoming services like audio to video, Twitter to video, PowerPoint to video, etc. So for us, we want to go to the text to animation, and you just click start. You can auto-generate a script with their AI, but because we have our own script from ChatGPT, we just cancel. Okay? Now, you copy your script from ChatGPT and paste it here. It will automatically create several scenes. Like here, we have 14 scenes. And now write here what your video is about. And for example, let's write explain a video. Okay? Type of the video we choose, animation video, and tick on the music icon. That is if you want the background music. Then you click next. It will take you to choose your design style. You can choose the design that you want from all these ones that are here. Now let's choose this one. Your scenes are now loading, and here is your workspace. Here are 14 scenes generated already. You can publish it immediately, or you can edit to meet your video expectations. Okay. Now you can change the layout by clicking the layout here, and you can see it has several layouts that you can actually choose from. Now let's go with the layout that it has selected for us, this one here. If you want to change your character, you just go to change character, and you have several characters that you can choose from as well. But some are premium, so you must upgrade to use them. Okay. You can also change the character action by clicking change action. And you can see here, there's a lot of actions. For example, them waving, pointing, etc. So you just click on the action that you want. Now you drag your character by holding left click and place them where you want. Okay? Like that. If you want to edit text in your script, you just double click the text box, and you can come here and just edit it and then click apply. Okay? There is also another option of changing the property or icons that they have selected for you. You just click the property and choose that from the list that they have. Okay? You just click one of the icons and it will just appear. You can also duplicate your scenes if you want more. You can add an outro as well. When you want to add the voiceover into the video, you just click voiceover. You can record your voice or add Steve voices. So you choose your language, accent, gender, voice, and then you generate. Okay? And now you can see the voice is successfully updated. Okay? Now, if you want background music, you click on music. You can see you have hundreds of music that you can choose from. And for us, maybe let's choose Right Again. Okay. You can reduce the background music volume by pressing the speaker icon and just reduce it. Okay. After you finished editing your scenes, you click publish. It will take you to this page where it tells you your video is ready to publish, right? You can download it at 720 resolution on free version, but if you want it at 1080, 2K or 4K, you must upgrade to premium, okay? Now download your video by clicking this download icon and it will take you to the rendering queue, right? When it has finished rendering, you'll get your video at manage export section and just download it by pressing this arrow over here, right? And yeah, here's our result of our editing sample.
Hey there, digital enthusiasts. Polly here, your eye-loving, money-making friend. Welcome to DigiHacks, the hottest channel in town. At DigiHacks, we're all about cracking the code to success, with a sprinkle of humor and a dash of creativity. Join me as we explore the exciting world of AI and discover awesome ways to make money online. From creating virtual assistants to building neural networks, we'll learn AI together, no coding experience required. But that's not all. DigiHacks is your go-to for artificial intelligence, freelancing, remote jobs, affiliate marketing, and passive income streams. We've got the hacks to fatten up your bank account. Subscribing to DigiHacks instantly makes you 500% cooler. Plus, you'll join our exclusive community of fellow hustlers, where victories are celebrated and AI fails are laughed at. So hit that subscribe button and join our army of digital superheroes. Let's conquer the world of AI and online money making together, one hilarious adventure at a time. Stay awesome, stay digi-hacked. Bye.
With the free version of the Steve.ai, you have the ability to create and download up to 3 videos per month. If you require more than 3 videos, you need to upgrade your subscription. But of course, if you follow my other videos, I know you have an idea of how to use the free version a little bit longer before you decide you want to purchase it, okay? Now you have the knowledge that you can transform your script into an engaging animation video. And with that, please support my work by subscribing, commenting, and sharing this video, and keep it here. For now, goodbye.